this I think is what's happening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your first wave. This is a complex second wave. So A, B, and this diagonal pattern of a C wave that should take you down into this 21, 20 range. This is as low as I would go before I would start stopping out and saying that we're going down to 13. Is if we go below 20,000, that's a big warning sign. There's a trend line there. And there's just, we usually see second waves stop around that 61,850, especially with Bitcoin. So that's what I think is playing out, is we got one more low here, and then we can potentially break out. If we instead break out above 32,000 directly, then we're in that third wave. But this breakout scenario, we're looking for like a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we should have seen a breakout, and it didn't happen. Which tells me something else is going on. And so I kind of go backwards, like, well, what degree of a pullback do we have? This still looks like a 3-wave move right here. 1, 2, 3, and then we're about to break down into here. So for those looking to buy, this is your good risk reward. 21, 22, stop below 20 is what I would do. Because if we break below 20, the odds build really significantly that we could be going down to 13,000.